In this video, you will learn about the basics of how to explore the map, timeline, map features, and the search box. How to explore the map. When you launch Windy on a desktop, you can use your mouse to move around the map and easily explore any global location. You can zoom in and out using the plus and minus buttons or while scrolling your mouse. If you want to return to your original location, click on the logo at the top. Timeline. Below is the timeline, which shows 6 days of the forecast for free users and 10 for our premium users. Drag the yellow timestamp to view the weather conditions for the specific time. Map features. Particle animation on maps visually represents wind patterns by displaying moving particles that flow in the direction of the wind. This dynamic visualization helps users intuitively understand wind speed and direction across different regions. You can switch these on and off using the toggle switch. Beneath it are the ISO lines, also known as isobars, which are lines that connect points of equal atmospheric pressure on the map. You can choose between 4 different types of ISO lines for your specific needs. Search box. In the top left corner, you can search for any location worldwide. When you choose a place, the window below will instantly open and show you a detailed forecast for that location, including temperature, rain, and wind information. Detailed forecasts will be thoroughly discussed in the following video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.